Kamal Behandan finished in third position in the qualification for the DKB Riders Tour. And tomorrow you will rode another horse, not Cezanne, but another horse.
Yes, tomorrow I'm going to ride my Novice de Tess, who was my Olympic mount in London, was a super mare, and I'm looking forward to her. She's been jumping well. She started the season in Saudi, in the 5-star in Saudi. That was about mid-April. It was mid to end of April, and she's developing as we go. So I'm looking forward to the Grand Prix tomorrow.
The Riders Tour is now 13 years old. Is there anything similar in the Gulf states or anywhere, a series for show jumpers?
No, not yet, but I really hope that we start either an extension. Either the series can be, I'm sure there's some format can be worked out, whether it's a qualification in the area that people can qualify and come here or correct points. But it would be nice because series are very important for the development of the sport. And I'm hoping, today we don't have anything, the short answer I guess, but my wish is to have something like that in our part of the world.
Thank you very much. Good luck for the Grand Prix tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you. We can use it.